Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the House of Tone. My name is Wes Lee. I'm a band instrument repair technician. I started a YouTube channel to show what my life is like working in the trades. I appreciate you stopping by. Today, cool new tools. This is a prototype. Ferree's tools sent to me. If you're going to Baltimore to the National Convention, you're going to see this tool. This tool was developed by Curtis Ferree and Mike Nye of N9A Band Instrument Repairs. Mr. Nye is located in Tempe, Arizona, does incredible work. If you're out that way, boom, go see him. He's always known for making fun videos, and he always ends them with boom. So, this is N9A's Boomerang. Let's talk about it. When you've got dents in this area that are between the branch and the bell, you don't want to take the bell off to fix the instrument, but you want to do your good dent work in there, then this is where N9A's Boomerang comes in. Another example, a cleaner example, we wouldn't want to take the entire bell off to get to this. But we can't get in here to get these wrinkles out. We need to burnish from the top after we roll a little bit. This is where N9A's Boomerang is perfect. So using the N9A's Boomerang, it's a high polish steel, so you want to make sure after you use it that you buff out any of the scratches that are on it. We're going to do our normal roller operations first to rough out the shape, and then we're going to get into using this. So I'm going to roll this part of the bell out. And since I also am getting to know the tool, I always practice on some older instruments. Don't want to wreck something while I'm trying to learn it. So we've got our wrinkles there. You want to make sure that you coat both surfaces very well. So this is why this is such a cool new tool. I'm going to find my manual there. You can't get regular burnishers and have any kind of leverage. So with this tool, you can have a double burnisher come up under these braces and get that burnishing action. And just work all that out. That's an incredible tool. The boom is deserved. That's a great tool. That's a really good job. Let's show another example. Notice on this marching baritone that these bad creases are all under here. We wouldn't want to take the bell off for this. This is the only part that's damaged. So maybe you're on site, you're doing quick repairs, and you still want to do a good job on it. You always have to have the quality of work. So we're going to start with the roller, and then we're going to switch to the boomerang. And where this tool really comes in handy is because you can't get the roller to take care of these spots. You can't get in there any kind of way. And you've got to push that back. So none of the English wheels or dent machines or planishers or anything like that. And for this video, we're just going to work that little section just right there. It's so thin, and you can just sneak behind and come up and work these areas. And I'm just controlling it using my armpit. Oh, you also get to work on your squats. Let's see, coming right up under these tight spots. This is a great tool for doing this. Let me show one more example. You have a dent here under this French horn bell that you can't really get a tool in there. So we can push it up a little bit, but there's going to be a scar. You can't get a burnisher in that area easily. And when you just rough it out, you're still left with bubbles and scars. So what we do, we're going to drop this through, and I'm actually just going to use the tool, and I'm making a U coming all the way across. A little bit of finish work.
Looks good.
Boom, I think is what the man says. Nice boomerang. That's a cool tool. Allows you to get into really tight spots and do really good work. I dig it. If you're at the show in Baltimore, check out Ferree's tools so you can see this. They've got a part number and a tool going up on the website, so this is available for sale coming soon. May already actually be out. Tight space work. Anything between a bell and the valve casings, the bell and the different branches. You're going to find all kinds of uses for it. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time.